some time ago, I decided to take out my old iPhone 5S to use it as an offline phone because I wanted to take a break from my actual phone. But I noticed that it wouldn't turn on, and the reason being the battery was bloated, and that also broke the display. I took it out because of safety reasons, but I still saved it for a video, so things I do for you guys. So now I need to repair it, but what's the best way to get it repaired for as cheap as possible while getting as high quality parts as possible for it? And that's where this gold iPhone comes in. This is a donor iPhone that I bought for 10 bucks. So this was cheaper than getting aftermarket parts while still having original display and original battery.
So did I just find the perfect way to repair an iPhone? Let's find out. But before then, wait. If you do this without a guide, bad things can happen, and pretty sure you don't want a spicy pillow blowing up in your face. And the same goes for your important documents. Don't risk a spicy PDF by using clunky, complicated, or unsecured software. When you're managing complex repair manuals, part lists, or personal files, whatever, you need a solution that's reliable, safe, and also powerful at the same time. That's where today's sponsor, UPDF, comes in. It's an all-in-one PDF solution designed to give you total control so you can work smarter and not harder. It lets you easily delete, insert, or reorder pages to get your document just right. And for your most important files, you can add 2 types of passwords to protect your information and get better privacy. With UPDF, you have full control over your documents, fixing typos, replacing images, adding watermarks, whatever you want, are as simple as clicking and typing. But that's not all. UPDF's built-in AI assistant powered by GPT and DeepSeek technologies is a total game changer. You can literally chat directly with your PDFs for kicks and giggles. Ask it to summarize a long report or translate a paragraph or turn your notes into a mind map for easier studying or easier navigation. So, all that is cool, but what makes UPDF stand out from the crowd? UPDF works on Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and Android, so you can work seamlessly across all your devices while getting all the powerful features you need at literally 1/6 of the price of Adobe. Plus, you get free lifetime upgrades and 24/6 customer support if you ever need help.
For somebody else.
So this part got so bad I had to voice over this, so please never bend your battery like this. It could literally catch on fire if you're not being careful. But after bending the battery, I couldn't believe I could actually pull the battery tab.
It's working.
And I couldn't believe I actually took it out successfully. So here's my actual 5S that I'm trying to repair, and so I'm going to remove the screen that's broken. So again, new battery in, new screen in, holding the power button, we see an Apple logo, which is a great sign, and as you can see, the phone boots up perfectly fine. Touchscreen works as well. We don't care about updates. It's time to reassemble it.
So, did I just find the best and cheapest way to repair an iPhone with original parts? Well, let's look at it. Well, the battery's dead. Oh, it's turning on. Now, so the battery that I got from this phone was definitely used, so it was not brand new at all. Although, I think it's still better than cheap knockoff AliExpress battery that can expand within a month or so. I've had batteries like that on an iPhone 6s. And to find an actual high quality battery from a reputable seller, it would have just costed me about twice as much as this phone costed. And I wanted this repair to be as cheap as possible. This is the cheapest way. This one was $10, right? And I took the screen and the battery from it. I still have so many parts left to use. I still have charge ports, speakers, all the front and selfie cameras, the buttons and everything, and also the housing. So I could sell this phone for about $5 to $10 on eBay, maybe even more because of the housing. And that would basically mean that I did this repair for actually as cheap as possible. While I think this is the cheapest way to also get original parts for your phone, it is also the best way to reduce e-waste because motherboard on this phone was completely dead, right? And so it was basically useless. Now it is not useless anymore because this thing helped me maintain this guy. So here's that. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you around.